Last week, Paul's fruit stand sold 6 boxes of melons. Shelby's fruit stand sold half as many boxes of melons as Paul's fruit stand. How many boxes of melons did Shelby's fruit stand sell? Well, Shelby sold half of what Paul did, which is 6. So we're going to multiply half times 6. Now, when you multiply a fraction to a whole number, multiply that whole number to the numerator of the fraction. And that's it. 1 times 6 is 6. That becomes your new numerator. The over 2 denominator stays that way. Now we know that 6 over 2 is the same as 6 divided by 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, how many boxes of melons did Shelby's fruit stand sell? 3 boxes of melons. And so we use the word boxes because it's a word problem. And that's it. We're done.